So, you guys know I'm on the journey to improve the skin, and guess what I purchased? Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Maya. As you can see, I'm in a different setting. This is not my bathroom. This is Carter's bathroom. He's right here. He's been trying to talk. Anyway, close the door. So, so yeah, in the room, laying down. But I am about to do the skincare. I'm looking for a towel. I need one. So, you guys know I'm on the journey to improve the skin, and guess what I purchased? Dr. Vanita Rattan's, is it upside down? Yes, the facial pigmentation kit. So I brought this before, but in my fashion of or in my way of kind of giving up on things, I used it one time, didn't notice a difference, and I didn't buy it again. But that's not how things work in life, especially not in skin, with high maintenance skin, when you have melasma and things. But I've been doing a bunch of different things to I've been trying to use a lot of Tyrosinase Inhibitors to kind of prevent, these dark patches. And this is what happens. My skin will literally kind of speckle like this. So I think that it's working. I just need to continue using the different products. So I just got in the shower, washed my face already with just a gentle cleanser. You guys know I just use a gentle cleanser. Let's go ahead and tone. I'm going to use the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So I'm trying to use things that are, gentle, brightening, and Tyrosinase Inhibitors, because I need everything to help with the pigmentation. I don't need to use anything that's going to make things worse, that's not going to actually do anything. I'm trying to use strictly products that have Tyrosinase Inhibitors. Niacinamide helps with pores, and I also think it's a brightening product. I've heard that before. Y'all know I'm not professional with skincare. I know little things and then I kind of forget things, but I've heard niacinamide is good. Y'all, we know niacinamide is good. It's late at night, so I'm not yelling and being over the top. And I'm also trying to calm down and not be so all the time. So let's go ahead and start with the toner. And I even apply a lot of these products on my eyes. People, they like Dr. V, and I've heard different people who specialize in skin, they say you can do that as long as the product's not super harsh. And I don't think anything that I've used has really irritated the skin around my eyes. And of course the skin on your eyes is more sensitive anyway, because it's the thinnest skin on your face. And yeah, it's just very thin skin, so it can become irritated. That's something. And I'm prone to eczema, so I can get eczema on my eyelids if something's irritating my skin, drying it out, etc. So I also told you guys I'm trying to use a lot more cream-based brightening products. I'm not just going to use all the acids and different things to strip your skin. I need to put moisture back in. So the way this kit goes, you're supposed to use so there's two products in here. There's this one says multi-tyrosinase inhibiting cream for skin of color. This one says skin rejuvenation cream for skin of color. So you're supposed to use this one 2 nights in a row, and then use this one on the third night. Now, true to me, I did it one night, didn't wash my face the other night, and use it this morning, and now I'm about to put this on. So I'm already not following directions, so it's not good. But I'm gonna try and follow the directions from now on. So using this and using, between using this and using the faded creams, I think I'm gonna be onto something. Because I think the faded is what I've been using the last couple of days. And I think that's kind of started with the, breaking this up, these little dark patches, because I really can see it on this side. You just have to be consistent. So let's see what's in here. So there's, I trust Dr. V. She's a formulator. There's a lot of stuff in here, but it's Kojic. I'm gonna read the ingredients that we know. Kojic Acid, Alpha Arbutin, bunch of stuff. Lactic acid, jojoba oil, other stuff. I never heard of that. Liquorice extract, retinol, shea butter, and then a bunch of other stuff. I think a lot of stuff in here. So this is, it seems like this is the, like I said, the multi-Tyrosinase brightening cream, and this one's supposed to be with the calming, right? Yeah, skin rejuvenation cream. So, because yeah, you don't want to just dry your skin out with things that are supposed to brighten. You need to kind of have a cycle. So that's why I appreciate her work. This just has jojoba seed oil. This one seems like the more, I don't know, I guess the more calming cream. That's the only thing that I can recognize. I mean, there's other things in here too, but anyway, so third night. third night's the charm now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And this is a thin layer for all of them. And I've been trying to do it on my face and neck because my neck also has the same pigmentation. So I've been trying to do my face and my neck. But this seems like just a regular night cream. Yeah, this is like just a night cream, y'all. This one's like a very gentle, basic kind of cream. But it's okay. I'm just trying to be consistent, and I'm trying to, again, consistency is king with everything. So I'm just trying to be consistent and follow the rules. And like when it runs out, I'm gonna buy it again, okay? Because I saw like people saying after 5 months they started to notice a difference. It's not gonna be a overnight, like 3 treatments kind of thing, especially not with skin of color, black skin. Like use 3 treatments if you want to. Your skin's gonna be effed. Like that's not how it works. You have to kind of gently and consistently work the problems away. Welcome to life. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much, I think that might be all I'm gonna do for tonight. Actually, no, I'm gonna put my, just to spice it up a little bit for you guys. Should I spice it up some more? I mean, I can put my rose hip oil, and then I use an eczema cream. This was the colloidal oatmeal. I love this colloidal oatmeal cream. I use this just to kind of moisturize my skin. But I don't know what I'm going to. Like, but it feels fine and moisturized enough. Like my skin feels fine. I think I'm just gonna go to sleep with that for now. And yeah, check back in. I am gonna be consistent with my skincare routine. I'm gonna be consistent with showing y'all too. So stay tuned. I also bought a derma roller to microderm at home. But I got a very like low needle number, so it's not gonna go too deep into the skin. It's not gonna do any damage. That's the goal. But yeah, brightening is my main concern. I don't have a lot of, like, my texture is not bad, but brightening is the main concern here. Evening it out and get rid of this. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys liked that. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on the Dr. Vanita Rattan World's Only Facial Pigmentation Kit for Skin of Color. I trust what she talks about. I trust her science and her work. So stay tuned to see how my results are with this and the faded, because that's pretty much what I'm using right now. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Maya. Thanks for your time, guys, and bye for now.